If we now open the active.php file, which you'll find inside of the admin pages country folder, we're going to start with the opening PHP tag and then active equals country include equals 1. So if it equals 1, then 0, we change into 0 basically, otherwise we change into 1. And now if object country update, and we updating passing array, we want to update the index include, which is our table cell, and the value will be simply what we've just calculated above, so active variable. Then we need to pass the ID of the record, so country, and we're passing the ID obviously here. Then closing bracket, opening curly brackets, else what we're going to do is throw new exception saying record could not be updated. Obviously this exception will be caught with the catch statement inside of the country.php file which we've created earlier. Now if the update is successful, then replace variable equals, and we start with href with just the hash data-url equals double and single quote and semicolon, then replace. We're going to concatenate this with this object URL get current, and then replace. We don't need to obviously remove anything from the get current URL because this is the exact URL that we need, because when we are calling this get current from within the active page, obviously the entire URL which we need for this link is already there. Then obviously we single quote closing the data URL attribute, then class, click, replace. Then we're going to, we can close the opening A tag here as well. Then replace, we concatenating this with checking active equals 1, then yes. If it equals anything other than 1, then no for the label. Then replace, and concatenating now with the closing A tag, and obviously effectively right at the end echo helper JSON array saying that error is false, meaning everything is fine, and replace equals replace. And that's everything inside of this file. So if we now save it, open our browser and click on one of the yes links, you can see that's been changed to no. If I now refresh the page, that stays, meaning obviously that has been successfully updated. And if we were to check it on the front end, this Afghanistan country will no longer be visible in a drop-down menu when the user registers on the website. In order to go through the checkout process. Now I'm obviously making this active again, so again it's back obviously and being available on the front end.